So today I thought I'd do an unboxing video. People either love them or hate them. I was out of the hobby for a little while and I missed out on a few things that came out over the last few years. And one of them was this LNER Dynamometer car that Rapido did. They made two different versions of it. I actually really would have also liked the this is the 1938 version. I don't know if you can see that, but this is the 1938 version. I would also have liked to have seen the 1948 version, just because that's closer to generally what I model. Basically they're sold, well, I say they're sold out. Rails are sold out of them. However, I did a Google search thinking I might be able to find a used one and discovered that the National Railway Museum is still has some of these in stock. How many they have I don't know, but they still have them in stock. They are a little expensive. I think it was £150. Obviously plus shipping to the US makes it even more expensive, but I do get the VAT back, so that just about covers the shipping. So anyway, I'll open this up and we can have a look at it. From what I've seen, these are really detailed and have a lot of interesting features on them, but I haven't opened this yet, so it just arrived today. Actually, I mean, shipping from the UK, I ordered it last weekend. It's now Thursday, so I mean, the thing literally came in 3 or 4 days. Sometimes I seem to get better shipping from the UK than I do from places in the US. So I open it up, get rid of the box. As you can see, it's a typical plastic, and there's an interesting sheet here. Looks like has some prototype history and some other information on it, so be interesting to read that at some point. So continuing on to open it up. I hate these things sometimes. So there we go. Now it has this interesting wand here that I know is designed to turn the lights on and off. It has a little magnet in the end there that you run over the top and it will turn the lights on and off when it's on the obviously got to be powered, you know. So we'll open this up and then we will put it on the track and we can see it running on the layout in a little while. Okay, so let's continue opening it up. We don't need any of that stuff, and so here it is. It's in a plastic bag. Oh, it just slides right out. So here we go. Very fine detail. I mean, all of this stuff is just applied. I mean, look at that glass, the lights in the roof there, and the detail on the inside. I don't know how well we can see in there. I may have to just do this slightly differently so I can show you some close-ups of what it looks inside and underneath. And you know, here is the extra wheel. The dynamometer wheel is sitting right here. Bogies look good, sprung buffers. Tremendous amount of detail on this. Absolutely phenomenal. I believe there's even a toilet in there. I've seen pictures of these with the roofs off, and even though you really can't see it from the outside, they did do all the modeling inside, and I'm going to do a close-up in a minute of the inside so we can see some of the detail in there. I may take the roof off. We'll see what I feel like doing with that. So anyway, that's it. It is truly exquisite. Has a phenomenal amount of detail all applied. It's not molded. It's all real handrails, and wow, I'm quite taken with this. So let's look at a couple of close-ups on it. So, as I say, let's just see if we can get some close-ups. Trying to see if I can get close enough to see the detail on the inside. You know, it's incredible. You can see it with the naked eye. I don't know that the camera's finding all of that detail. Maybe the answer is to take the roof off so we can see the detail inside. But absolutely amazing. the amount of detail that they have in there. Phenomenal. The thing I did just notice is there is this bag of vacuum pipes and etched frames that come in there too, that can be added to the model, and there are instructions for adding them in the instruction leaflet. A little disappointed to discover that the light doesn't work on this. It seems, I'm trying to understand how to get into it. It looks like the roof comes off. I don't think the body comes off the chassis. Let me look at the instruction sheet, see if it helps. Following a little bit of inquiry here, it looks like this is just one of those situations where you have to very carefully ease the body off. There are clips. Probably seen people do this with business cards. Oh well, hey, it worked. And actually, now we can see all of that detail on the inside, including the toilet, a little lavatory you cannot see from the outside. Now, these are the springs that work the light, the interior light, go into those two things there. It's also interesting, there's a speaker in there, and you can see that hanging from the roof. And I heard that these springs can get, I think it was Jenny Kirk mentioned on her review that she had to play with these springs a little to get the light to work. Oh boy. Okay. I suppose the only way to test this is put it back together and put it on the track. Maybe I'll put it in the test track and test it. Okay. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can subscribe with the button to the right, and you can see another video with the button to the left.